Hey guys, so I haven't made a video like this in a while, and I hope that I don't get banned because I'm running. So every time I work on these videos on my old account, I would always get banned, right? And I have no idea why, but I'm gonna try to make this again. It's because I updated my code and my algo, right? Because if you guys know me, you know, obviously I trade, but I'm also a programmer, and I had time this weekend. I updated my Python code to pull up, you know, unusual whale kind of stuff, right? Or what usually the volume flow is. And these 185 puts for Tesla expiring today have something crazy, like a $16 million volume flow into them, which is ridiculous. I don't think I've seen anything that high on Tesla in a very long time. So again, this doesn't necessarily mean buy or sell, but you know, there's $60 million held up in these 185 puts expiring today. So, you know, we'll see where they go.